In a near future, where VR immersion is the ultimate escapism, a young girl named Anna is living two separate lives. She prefers her virtual life with her lover and boss. Meanwhile, in real world, an unexpected economical and reformative event occurs, while the nation falls into a total mayhem. Anna, waking up from a month-long coma, she cannot believe her eyes. Anna dives beyond the AI apocalypse, into parallel worlds which might reveal the true source of the global disaster. Anna rediscovers her subconscious mind with hope of creating her own dreams. The world needs the truth. And the people will listen, with the birth of a new life form that governs the narrative of human evolution. How far are you willing to go for the truth?